Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will study about magnets and how to have fun with magnets. Now let us start. Here you can see a magnetic garland. Do you find it interesting how to make a magnetic garland? You can join magnetic substances from one end of the magnet. You can see magnet has two poles, right? North and south poles. So if you start joining one magnetic substance, one magnetic substance, if you click it to one end of the magnet and stick some more magnetic substances, then they join with each other, forming a magnetic garland. You can play a game by attaching different magnetic substances in different shapes, making different garlands. Then next you can play. Here you can see another fun game is nothing but maze. You can place one ball in the maze game, and at the back of the cardboard you can draw one maze game on the cardboard, and you can place one magnet at the back of the cardboard and place one iron ball, and here you can see how the ball moves as you move the magnet. You can see how the ball is moving through the places provided and how it comes out from this maze. This is a type of game you can play along with magnets. Another game is that you can place a pin, iron pin in the water containing glass, and you can lift that pin with the help of the magnet. See how interesting it is. You are lifting the pin from the water. That is one game. Next thing is you can make toy cars with the matchbox. You can make toy cars with the matchbox, and if you place two magnets over the matchbox, and if the magnets are facing that is, the magnet poles are facing each other and those poles are similar, then you can see the cars are moving apart, right? And if you place the cars which are facing, or magnets which are facing opposite poles, then the cars come and attract. Don't you think this type of games give us fun? Let us play this summer this type of games using magnets. Till then, take care. Enjoy the games with magnets.